I would tell you what the recipe is, except that I can't stop drinking it. It's that good. Okay, I really, really hyped this up in the last video, so it better live up to the expectations, and let me tell you that it does. What are we doing today? We are combining this and this, yes, y'all, into an amazing breakfast smoothie. These two are the perfect, unexpected partnership that pair perfectly, okay? Let's go. Okay, this one is gonna be good. I promise you it's gonna be good. Okay, so the ingredients are, we're gonna do a nice ripe avocado, 2 bananas, tahini, some coconut milk. In addition, I'm going to be adding a little bit of maca powder. Now, this isn't necessary. You can skip this step if you don't have it. I like it. It is a Peruvian root vegetable. It has grown in the Andes for thousands of years. It is very sweet and earthy. Kind of hard to describe the flavor, but it just adds another layer of sort of sweet toastiness that goes perfectly, blends into the background. You don't really taste it. Maca powder is known to help balance hormones, and it is helping with fertility and libido. So it's great for both men and women in particular with balancing hormones. So I just add a little scoop of this, but if you don't have it, it's not really going to alter the flavor. Also, if you like things super sweet, you can add honey to this. I find that 2 bananas is quite enough for me. Now, I am choosing to do frozen bananas to help make this a little bit colder because I find that it tastes better cold. You can put ice cubes in it if you want. Perfect. Does it get any more perfect than this? No. How smooth was that? Now, if I had only used half of this avocado, I would have left the pit in like this, and I would have put the lid back on it, and I would have stored it in the fridge. Okay, so you might be wondering why keep the pit inside of an avocado when you store it, or to also help it ripen. What's the deal with the pits? Well, an avocado is an unusual plant, okay? Its seeds operate a little bit differently. A lot of plants you can just save the seeds, dry them out, keep them on the shelf for decades, and then take the seed in the future when you need it and plant it and grow that crop. Avocados don't work the same way. The seeds do not preserve indefinitely like that. That's just how the seeds work. The seed is the food source for that plant. And so when conditions aren't right, if it doesn't have enough nutrients in the soil, if there's not enough water, if there's not enough this or that, the plant actually draws from the seed to help nourish and finish growing. And so it's already programmed to utilize the seed to continue its growing and ripening process. Okay, back to the recipe. We're going to add some coconut milk into here. And in comes the tahini. You can put in as much tahini as you like. I'm probably putting in about 1/4 of a cup of tahini. Okay, with all the tahini, the banana, the avocado, and the coconut milk. And then I'm adding the maca powder, which is optional. Maybe about that much, okay? And that's it. We blend. Okay, I'm ready. Shall we try it? All right, the moment of truth. Look how thick and delicious this is. Oh my gosh. It's like the thickness of a milkshake. Oh, are we ready? Oh my God. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Guys, this is so good. It doesn't need any honey at all. It's so good. Oh man, this is definitely a must try. I am the Curiosity Guru. Thank you for joining me. And until next time, like, subscribe, and make it a great day.